Welcome! We're kicking off this morning letter written barefoot by diving deep into the incredible power of barefoot walking.
Okay, so let's jump right in with a puzzle, something kind of mind-blowing. Modern medicine is amazing, right? It knows that these things called free radicals are at the root of so many of our health problems today. But what if it's missing the single most basic, most fundamental solution of them all?
So what are these things? Well, the slide calls them the invisible enemy, and that's a pretty good description. Just imagine these tiny, positively charged troublemakers running around inside your body, zapping your healthy cells and causing all sorts of damage that leads to aging and illness.
And they're sneaky. They have this two-pronged attack. On one side, they go straight for our cells, causing damage that can lead to things like immune problems and even cancer. At the same time, they attack the fats in our body, which shows up as aging skin, or, even worse, serious heart disease.
So the big question is, why are our bodies so full of these things? And this slide, I think, really hits the nail on the head. It's what it calls the Great Disconnection. Think about it. We live in high-rises, we walk on asphalt, and we wear rubber-soled shoes. We're literally insulated from the earth, building up all this damaging positive charge, completely cut off from that natural balanced state.
Which, of course, brings us to the most crucial question, right? If our modern lives have unplugged us from the planet's natural, healing energy, how in the world do we plug back in?
Well, the answer is surprisingly simple, and it's all thanks to this incredible discovery called earthing. The science is actually pretty elegant. Our bodies are filled with those harmful, positively charged free radicals. The Earth, it's like a giant, endless battery of negatively charged free electrons. When we make contact, it's like a perfect reset. The positive and negative charges neutralize each other.
And check this out. This shows you just how fast this happens. It's practically instant. You see, when we're wearing shoes, our body can build up a pretty significant electrical charge. But look what happens the moment you touch your bare feet to the ground. In 1 to 2 seconds, bam, that voltage drops to zero. It's an immediate effect. Okay, but it's not just about getting rid of toxins. That's only the beginning. This simple act kicks off a powerful 3-step healing process in your body. First, you get that toxin elimination. Second, it actually improves your blood flow. And third, it boosts something called ATP production. That's basically the energy source for your cells. So you're fighting fatigue and balancing stress hormones.
Okay, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds amazing in theory, but does it actually work for real people? Well, let's look at some incredible stories. Take Pastor Park Jong-dae here. 5 years suffering from some really serious conditions, and after 2 years of consistent barefoot walking, things returned to normal for him.
And here's another one that's just wow. John Jin-hyun dealt with severe COPD for 20 years, with lung function at only 25%. After just 2 months of barefoot walking, they reported being completely healed. These personal accounts are just so powerful.
So, you're probably getting inspired, right? Let's talk about how you can start your own journey, how you can take that first step.
All right, first things first, safety. It's super simple, but really important. Try to find a safe, natural spot, like a dirt path, some nice grass, or a sandy beach. You don't have to go for hours. Just start with a few minutes a day and see how you feel. And of course, always watch where you're stepping, and it's a good idea to be sure your tetanus shot is up to date.
And here's a pro tip. Especially for those of you in drier climates or during those dry seasons, you got to take care of your feet after the walk. Wash them well and then use a good, thick moisturizing cream. This will help prevent cracked heels and keep your skin healthy.
Now, this next point is maybe the most important thing we'll talk about today. The key, the real key to all of this is consistency. Doing it once is nice, but the true healing benefits really kick in when you make it a daily practice.
So really what it all boils down to is a simple, powerful invitation. To take off our insulating shoes and just connect with the life force of the earth. It's presented as this great step toward an Eden without disease. And that path, it's literally right beneath our feet.
So we've walked through the science, we've heard the stories, and we've got the simple steps to get started. Now the only question left is for you. Are you ready to take that first step, to reconnect with the earth and start transforming your health?
Hey, if this explainer opened your eyes to something new, it would mean the world to us if you could subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. That way, you won't miss our next deep dive, and it really helps us keep making more explainers just like this one.
And listen, you're not alone in this. If you want to dive even deeper and connect with others, definitely search for the National Barefoot Walking Movement headquarters on Naver Cafe. It's a great place to share info and find community. Thanks so much for joining us.